How to find direct sponsorship deals. Hey there everyone! There are several ways to supplement your income with YouTube besides ad revenue and the proven strategies that we discussed before. And one of them is through sponsorship deals. What is a YouTube sponsorship? Have you noticed that some YouTube personalities get to preview, review, and promote stuff that they like? Perhaps you've watched videos where someone reviews a product or service provided to them by a company that is explicitly mentioned in those videos. Or maybe a video where the host promotes an offer related to the content in the video. Those are sponsored videos, where brands sponsor a content creator in order to promote its products or services to the sponsor's audience through his or her videos. What are the benefits of a YouTube sponsorship? Sponsorships can help you to increase your exposure because people will be able to find your content just by using the name of your sponsor as a search keyword. You'll also get paid by the sponsors, and you will receive their products and services for free. Additionally, your channel's authority will increase as you grow in popularity, as sponsors will increasingly fight for the chance to appear on your videos. How are sponsorship deals made? There are two ways to reach a sponsorship deal. For one, companies reach out to popular content creators and offer them the chance to review their products or services. What they do is that they send the product for free to the content creator, which will in turn review it for its audience. Oftentimes, companies will simply pay content creators a fee to have the brands inserted into videos. On the other hand, content creators can directly reach out to potential sponsors and propose sponsorship deals. If you are a content creator and you haven't been contacted by a sponsor just yet, it is about time that you take the lead. How to find direct sponsorship deals. Identify your audience first. Brands won't be interested in what type of videos you produce as much as what type of audience watches them. So the first step is to examine your audience. Start by identifying its demographic data, such as the average age of people in your audience, dominant genders, dominant languages, and locations. You can do this by taking a look at your analytics. Next, you have to examine what type of brands and products they are interested in, what trends they follow, and where they shop both online and offline. There are two ways to effectively examine this information. First is by checking their interactions with your videos, especially comments on videos related to purchasing habits, lifestyles, or products in general. You might have to create a couple of videos to properly research this. Secondly, is through engaging with people in your audience, by asking them specific questions, by creating polls, running giveaways to see what type of products get the most participants, and so on. Research brands. Once you have identified the specific type of brands, products, and services that your audience is interested in, you will have to research them. Our advice is to look for newer, smaller brands at first. These types of brands are eager for more exposure and are willing to invest in a quality sponsorship deal that can provide them with a qualified audience whom to sell to. Take notes about what type of products they sell, their marketing message, their image, their prices, their promotions, their locations, and their history. Then examine how well they would align with your audience. Determine how you can benefit these brands. Now, you have to be aware that brands receive sponsorship proposals all the time, and they already know that a sponsorship deal will benefit the promoter. That is why you have to determine what you can offer to a brand in exchange. Normally, you can offer them exposure to your audience in two ways. For one, you can offer them to create high-quality review videos to promote their products. Or you can also offer them exposure in the form of shoutouts. Review videos are commonly paid with free products and services, which means that a brand will provide you with products for free so you can review them on camera. Yet the most profitable route is to charge a fee for shoutouts, because you receive cash instead of free products or services. You'll be able to charge more as your audience grows because brands will try to outbid each other for a spot on your videos. Additionally, you can offer brands an exclusive sponsorship deal. This means that you and a brand will sign a contract where you agree to promote the brand's business only. Create your sponsorship proposals. We recommend you to create different sponsorship plans at different price points to give brands room for negotiation. Now, each brand is different, and they are run by different people. So avoid creating a single template for all of your proposals. Instead, take the time to write personalized sponsorship proposals, taking into account the information you researched about them. For example, if you plan to contact a new, very small brand, you may need to adjust your prices according to what smaller companies normally pay for sponsorships. Contact the brands. Once you have selected a few brands that you would like to have as sponsors, and once you have a sponsorship proposal letter ready for each one, it will be time for you to start contacting them. The easiest and most professional way is by simply going to these brands' websites and to look for their contact emails. Normally, you'll find their contact information on the Contact Us page. Now, do not simply send your proposal to the first email address you find. Check carefully, as they might have a separate business email address where they prefer to receive sponsorship proposals. Additional tips: make your sponsorship proposals all about the sponsors. Be direct about what your plan is to help them reach more people. Let them know that you believe in their brands and their products, and that you know how to make your audience interested as well. Know how to sell yourself. Talk about your subscribers, your milestones, your daily view and engagement rates, and about the quality of your content, to let them know that you are confident in your ability to help them get more exposure. Don't give up easily. You might not get a sponsorship deal right away, so your best bet is to keep growing your channel and your audience. The bigger your audience, the easier it will be to score sponsorship deals.